like this. Hello, welcome to the tutorial on how to do something cool with Magio. This is tips and tricks with Plantify and how to create procedural graveyard. So I have downloaded some grave and skull from the asset store, and also have downloaded this ornate floor from the textures.com. I will leave all the links in the description of this video, and I have converted this small piece of land to Magio object like normally, like this, and then changed the effect to the Plantify, and then let's just start. So Plantify looks like this, and let's change the grass to skull and the texture also to skull. Let's put it to the one. It doesn't have normal map, but it's okay this time. Let's put it to 0, and let's maybe not so much skulls. $50. And let's put the bounciness away, and then I do not want flowers this time, so multiplier to 0, and then grave. This and grave. This and grave. Not that one. This one. Let's delete the objects, and let's put the color back to normal here. Right. Okay, so very basic. There is some graves. You could have some nicer graves if you found something. This is just a tutorial. You can replace this with anything. So actually everything already spreads pretty nicely. And let's override the material. Let's put the ornate here, normal, five, okay, so maybe not the best graveyard, but you get the idea what you can do. So now it's ready, and we convert the plants to the graves. Very nice change, don't you think? And let's play. We have the leaves still going, but it's still nice, and you can the spawn leaf color should be something darker because of this. Okay, It took us only few minutes and we already have some kind of effect, and you can also of course nullify this one like all the Magio effects. This and sphere nullify. Where is this? Like this. So that's nice perks of Magio. Thank you for watching and have fun.